Hey guys, it's me, Alex, the Manic Artist here, and today I'm doing another one of my moons. It's like, I believe it's going to be the third in the series. Yes, third in the series, and this time I believe, I'm doing this one to be fall this time. I did add a little extra pizzazz to make it seem like, oh, it's like cozy, it's like nice and like it's cool, and you have a blanket on the ground and it feels nice. I did an inspiration by one of the lighthouses closest to me. It would be the Numble Light, so I kind of got a little bit inspired by that. And with this drawing, I had a lot of fun. I wanted to do something that was more like from the viewer, less of just a picture, but it's more of like you're actually sitting on like the little blanket there, and kind of being cozy and like seeing like the night and it just being like romantical and like nice, and that's kind of what I thought about, and I was like, that would be nice if I sat there, I'd be so happy. But so I did this. I'm still doing the challenge where I used a little itty bitty brush with the small little watercolors and doing my little drawings and my little painting here. If you guys like it, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to see more from me, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Again, if you guys are drawing or working, whatever, take a picture of yourself or of the work that you're doing and like tag me in it. Like, hey, Manic Artist is what I'm doing. So what I was also thinking about was, what moon would you guys like to see next? Is there like a 3/4 moon? Is there a certain moon that you were born on? I could look up or whatever. Just let me know. I don't know what it is lately, but I've been super crazy inspired, and I've been like busting out these videos like crazy, and I just wanted to kind of get real with, I know I don't have many of you, but I kind of just wanted to get really real with you with my why I am the Manic Artist. And that's because I have bipolar and I have a really hard time with keeping things consistent and making things and not giving up. Like, I have been known to start something and then never finishing it because that's just how I've always been, and it's because I'm manic, or because, I'm having an episode, or I'm just not feeling like productive. And through this YouTube, it's been the first time where I've actually stuck with something for more than 2 weeks. And I just wanted to kind of be real with you guys. You guys understood like why I have this channel and why I'm called the Manic Artist, because I'm not super consistent. And if you're not super consistent either, and you like to be crazy and kooky and like not on the same path as everybody else, like that's my channel right there. Like, we're going to be doing some crazy stuff. I'm into some, I'm into tarot, I'm into moons, I'm into all this stuff. So you can tell that I'm kind of spiritual, but I'm also like really real. And if that's something that you are, like, join the fam, join my little fam here, and we can be bipolar or whatever, mental illness that you have that helps you move forward, just, being real and being open about it and opening up about who you are. And if you feel comfortable, like, definitely message me down, but you can either do it in the comments or you can like personally message me. I'll have my email down below if you want to talk. If you also have the same thing, I want to grow this channel as more than just an art channel, but I want it to grow more as a family and people to understand it's okay to be different, and it's okay to fight through the struggles that you have and still making yourself successful in yourself. And maybe you may not get a million people to like follow you, but at least you'll feel good about yourself, and that's why I'm doing this. And I do feel good about myself. And I hope that you all took something positive from this. And I hope to see you guys soon. Anyways, bye.